Saying that it's like this in the winter time.
Yeah.
And the reason the water is turquoise because the sun is shining on it.
Yeah.
But she says in the winter time, but she moved down here a while ago, and she said we can get this in the winter time, but every time you come it's different.
Oh yeah.
And she said that the tide. She looked on her phone, and the tide is coming in.
Okay. So it'll get worse then.
Yeah. Worse or better.
Yeah.
Take a picture of us three just from here. Do you mind?
Oh, go ahead. Oh, I'm doing the video there, so. See, I'm recording now, so.
Just push that white circle. So when you right here. Thank you. And just like push it a bunch of times. You're not gonna hurt anything. Oh yeah, no, you're good. So just hold it right like that, and don't hold the button. Just do it like tap it a bunch, like that. Okay. Thank you. Lighter tap. Oh, and are your fingers in the screen? There you go. There you go. Thank you so much. You're perfect. I have no idea. Oh, you got it. You got it. Okay. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Isn't that way out there? Way up. I was above it.
Or maybe. This is very wide.
God, look at it out there.
Yeah.
Sorry, Lauren was creative and we're taking
That's going to take a full butterfly flying there and the barcode there.
Hear that.
Yeah, yeah. How about? What's that?
No, but thanks.
Oh yeah. See ya.
He said, "Do you want a picture together?" I said, "No."
Oh,
With
okay.
this red face.
We're just young police.
Yeah.
They're or impress themselves. Well, that's interesting for that chair, right? I using the chair there gives you a better idea for size too.
Yes.
Hello. Traveling any distance?
Not a lot. I mean, we live in the valley,
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
so we stayed with family in Shelburne,
Okay.
and now we're just making our way back home today.
Yeah,
We'll get
I
there
bought a motorbike also. I got,
Oh yeah?
yeah, oh yeah. Today we decided to come take it easy bike-wise and
Yeah, for
take
sure.
some videos of this. I didn't expect this.
It's beautiful, isn't
So,
it?
yeah, it is, yeah. The size and high tide's in 12:15, so it could
We
be,
just, yeah.
it could be even higher than
So do you get out here often?
not here, no. Well, I'm from Metegan, so yes, I get it more. So it's our kind of out-of-the-way place.
It is.
Yeah.
But today it's worth the trip.
Oh, and the weather, pretty nice. Yeah. Unreal.
Amazing. Just shows you the power of the sea, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Butterfly just flew by. Yeah. Anyhow, see, I'm gonna keep an
All
eye.
right, enjoy.
Yeah. Bye.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Man, oh man, the power.
That second one big.
Man. Yeah.
Yeah, it's about half an hour to high tide here. I can't imagine how bad it's going to get here when that happens. Hard to say though, it may not. That's a big one.
This one's coming up further.
Yeah. When you lose the horizon there ahead is high. See the distance of building or a lighthouse way out there. I don't know what it is before.
See how high that's getting?
Closer to 4. lobster trap over there.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Could be lobster in it.
Yeah, let's go see. Dear ya.
No.
Whoa.
That'd be way too dangerous to do that.
Mm-hmm.